because there's a lot of energy here, right? There's a lot of people who are devoted to the gods and goddesses and to ritual, and they come here for pilgrimage. So there is like this kind of intense energy, and also you're doing these things that you're not normally doing, and you're making spiritual practices, and you're doing yoga, and it can be a little overwhelming even. So I actually am skipping the Ganga Arti today. I've skipped it also yesterday, I think, or the day before. I don't know. Anyway, I wasn't planning on skipping it, but I feel like there's a lot of crowds there, and for me, the crowds are a little bit too intense. I have to be in the proper state of mind for it, and it is quite beautiful and lovely, but I don't think you need to go every day. I mean, at least I don't need to go every day. I don't feel like it's something that I'm missing by not going. I have many more days here, and I will be going again. And I feel like we need to have like rest and action and balance with that. So at first I was thinking, oh, I'm not being disciplined and I'm not going to go, and I'm not making this video out of guilt to like say like, please forgive me because I didn't go. No, it's not really it. Anyway, I had meditation this morning there, and then we had our yoga practice and breakfast, and then we had time for self-study or whatever you want to do, and then we had a lecture.